Okay, it's a new day. I just woke up, so I'm a little grouchy, but whatever. Before I start welding on that bike and before I start buying parts, let's actually see if this motor runs. I already put gas in it, and I really hope I don't have to clean the carburetor out or anything. Choke. Okay. Take it apart and clean the carburetor. Okay, I cleaned out the carburetor and found out that this is backwards. It says that this is closed and this is open, but actually this is open and that's closed. So, whatever. So, yeah, we want it closed. It runs beautifully. It smokes a lot, but whatever. It works. Okay, all I gotta do is weld this to this, then this to this, so this shaft can go into here, and then weld this onto here. So, let's start that. Look at that. Beautiful welds. I'm getting better and better. Now all we have to do is weld that right here. Ought to be easy. Okay, I need to get this surface ready for welding, so I need to get all the paint off. And, oops. So I just need to grind it. Okay, now it's nice and shiny, ready to weld. Okay, now, I'm ready to weld this onto there. Flip over, whatever, right there. Somewhere in here. And I took it off the ceiling and put it closer to my welder so I can actually weld this. So, it's precise work. It's gonna take a little while. Okay, that's what it looks like. This is gonna go to here, then this is gonna go to the shaft. So for small, big, small, big. Hopefully, that'll be enough gear reduction. We will soon find out. Okay, I welded it on, and this is what it's gonna look like. I welded it on right there. They're not the greatest welds, but no, they're strong. What I'm going to do is I'm going to weld some more strengthening struts or whatever they're called on it. So, I set up a little test to see. Imagine this is the motor's crankshaft. And this spin, oops, wrong way. And this spins a lot. The wheel spins a little, which is perfect. It's exactly what we need. This is working perfectly. Awesome. So, it's working, and we're almost done. So, you know, all I gotta do is go and buy. Where's the motor? There it is. All I gotta do is go and buy the thing, the hub for this thing, and then mount it on, and then I gotta make something to where I step on something and it tightens the belt, and when I don't step on it, it loosens the belt, so therefore it's just able to spin freely. So that's all I gotta do next, and then this thing is ready to ride. Sweet, this thing's coming together faster than I thought, so we'll hopefully be able to ride it soon. Okay, I just got back from riding my bike to Tractor Supply, and I got parts. Let's see what I got. Okay. The stand. Here we go. Okay. There we go. I got a belt. Same right size. I had this, but this thing was so worn out that it wouldn't have done shit, so just garbage. I got bolts to tie down the motor. Look at that. I got the hub. This was the smallest hub they had, believe it or not. And I got a keyway for the hub. So, that's it. Okay. Let's see if this hub fits the motor. Ugh. Look at that. Sometimes it takes a little force. There we go. That looks awesome. Let's see what it looks like with the belt. Here's a brand new belt. Ugh. Oh shit, it's tight. That is tight. It's a little tight, but now all I have to do is attach this to this, and boom. This spins this, which spins this, and then that spins this. So, what was I grabbing? This. And I got this. This is a V-belt idler pulley. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fashion something where I have a peg. When I cut this off, I have a peg out here. I step on it, and it tightens down the belt. And when I let go of it, it releases, therefore letting this slip. Hopefully slipping and not just still going. So hopefully this is gonna work. It looks good. I may need to switch this opposite way so it's more this way, it's more that way, so it's not rubbing against here. Otherwise it looks great. This project is coming together.